So I played a lot of sports, pretty much every sport in high school, and my senior year I blew my knee out and was operated on in Scranton by Dr. Chris Metzger, who kind of inspired me to really want to help people, and particularly help athletes. And ironically, Dr. Metzger is now part of Coordinated Health 35 years later. I was the team orthopedic surgeon at Lehigh University for well over a decade. I've been with Nazareth High School probably close to 15 years now. Being an athlete in the past and going through the practices every day and the off-season training, it kind of gives me a mindset as a surgeon as to what I need to do mentally for a patient, as well as physically fixing them in an effort to get them back on the field as soon as possible and as safe as possible. I started out here working with tons of athletes, but as a surgeon ages, their practice kind of ages with them. So I have patients that I've been treating for 18 years. At Coordinated Health, I just think we do it better. I know every little detail of what is going on with my patients because I'm so connected with my physical therapist. There's just a great communication and there's just a great team effort. I just try and treat every patient like they're my family member, and that works.